Day, y'all. Happy Monday afternoon to each and every one of you. I hope everybody had a fantastic Monday, very motivational Monday thus far. Sending well wishes to everyone. Y'all, I got a package I want to open in front of you. This is one of my guilty pleasures, y'all, that I want to share with you from my company TLC. So I'm about to open this up. Y'all, I'm gonna show y'all how I can do it sweet and healthy at the same time. We're going to talk a little bit more about it once I open it up in front of you guys. Guilty pleasure, which is my Latin coffee. Y'all, if you have not tried this coffee, tap into it, get into it, y'all. This coffee is thebomb.com. And on top of that, it's very healthy. I like it. You know, for the ones who know, I love drinking my coffee in the morning time. The coffee gives me a great boost and a great kick just to get out the door and get my day started. And what I like about our coffee is that our coffee is the healthy coffee. You know what I'm saying? It's the healthy coffee, and it's going to help you get that cleanse, and at the same time, you're going to get that kick that you need to start your day. That's why I like it. Latin coffee. And this is the month supply. So once you order this, you will get 2 bags that would get you through. Y'all, like the benefits of it, y'all. It's all natural. It's great with the ISO tea. If you already taken a part, it's a great combination with that. I'm gonna read you what it says. It's a convenient, healthy blend. It's a premium gourmet blend. It's a gourmet blend. You know what I'm saying? It's infused with chaga. That's one of our products. It has other great extracts in it. It's the powerful combination of the fungi that has been used for centuries in ancient culture to support health. So this right here, you know what I'm saying, the owner of our company, he came up with a way how you can drink coffee and be healthy, which you cannot do with any of the other brands of coffee. It has the ingredients to help you to do so, you know. And it's blended. You can blend this together with the creamer of your choice. Low fat, if you're trying to watch that figure and you're trying to lose weight, you can do that. You can use all natural stevia and caramel flavor. You know what I'm saying? Whatever, however you want to have that smooth finish. So I'm gonna be trying this in the morning. This has a great taste to it. I'm already ready. Okay, so I'm trying to see. It tells you here on the bag what's it infused with, y'all. It's 26 sachets. I'm looking forward to this. You know, I'm looking for, I heard, you know, this is a great flavor. This is my first time trying the Latin coffee. So I'm going to be getting into it. And at the same time, I'm going to be getting my health going, my great health practices. At the same time, I'm going to get that kick in the morning. So that's what I had. That came in my order today. What I haven't done yet, I haven't taken my sea moss. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a snack with my sea moss. Right here, I have some apple. I have a plate of apples. I have my apples here. I'm going to drizzle my sea moss on my apples, like so. And the thing about sea moss, y'all, this sea moss is going to get you all the way clean out. Y'all, I can tell a big difference from me taking this sea moss. I can tell a difference in my bowel movement. I can tell a difference, you know, in my system. And I'm saying it's a great feeling once you take this sea moss. It is a superfood. It's a superfood. And you know what I'm saying, it's great. Like if you have mucus buildup, you just got out of surgery, you need some type of minerals for your body, for your system. That's what the sea moss is good for. So I'm thinking that I just drizzle them all into my apples here, like so. This is my snack. It's a great taste. And the kids love it. I let Alfred taste this. The kids love it. It's great for the entire family, especially if you love apples. Put some sea moss on top. Y'all, you will not be disappointed. You will not. Y'all, I love my company and these products, y'all. It gets me right. It keeps me healthy. And at the same time, these products, it's a great taste. I love it. To try the sea moss or this Latin coffee, if you are a coffee lover, you can drink this. Some people make this into like a they can drink it cold. You can do that. I'm gonna try it both ways. I'm gonna try mine hot in the morning, and I'm gonna try it, and I'm gonna try it cold as well. That's what I do. You know, being conscious of my health. At the same time, I'm enjoying, you know what I'm saying, like the different flavors of the products. So, y'all, we have products for everything: to lose weight, to gain weight, skincare products, home essential. You know what I'm saying? You like that nice, you know, zing in your home and that tranquility. We have that. We have different things. If you bother with allergy sciences, we have all types of stuff on that product. Y'all just hit me up for anything, for any of the samples. I can send out sample bags. You know, so if you don't want to commit to a full month supply right off, but I suggest that you do, because once your body start getting used to being detox and getting these products in, your diet is going to change. Your whole appetite is going to change. Your body's going to crave for healthy stuff. You know what I'm saying? Because once you start putting this stuff into your system, your body's going to crave just for that natural things, like the holistic approach. So you know, you want to go ahead and get started on your healthy journey. If you have never detoxed, hit me up. If you never tried a NutriBurst, hit me up. I want you to tell me, once you try these products, give me an update on how these products are making you feel. You know, what's the difference in your energy level? How are your mood? It also changes your mood. It changes your mind. It changes a lot of things. Not just your physical appearance. It changes internally your insides as well. I love it. So y'all, I'm not gonna keep you long. I just want to show you my guilty pleasure, which is coffee in the morning with my Latin coffee. And I want to show you like my snack, my sea moss over my apples. So y'all, continue to be motivational on this Monday. Write down your goals. You know, plan. You know, plan what you're gonna do. Plan what you're gonna do for the next year. It's not too soon to start planning for 2022. Go ahead and write down your goals for 2022, because we already halfway through this year. But go ahead and start planning for 2022. Stay ahead. Stay proactive in your goals and the things you want to accomplish. Make vision boards. Do different things that's going to motivate you to jot down goals and to dream and visualize again. You know what I'm saying? Our life depends on it. So y'all, continue to be blessed on this Monday evening. I'll talk to you later. Click the link in my bio for any products, or inbox me for any questions, y'all. Be safe. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.